I have a table here, and I want to convert this column of data into the date format. While I can do this quickly using Ctrl+Shift+3, I can't really specify which among the date type formats I'll use. So, I can instead use Ctrl+1 to quickly open the Format Cells dialog box, select Date, and I'll choose from any of the type I can pick from. Oh, also, if you notice that you're in the Font tab or any other tab when you open the Format Cells dialog box, just click the Number tab and you're all good. I have some data here, and as you can see, the columns and rows are either way too small or big for the data. I don't really like the look of this, so let's give the cell some breathing space, shall we? I'll first select the whole sheet by pressing Ctrl+A, then I'll press Alt, which shows me the alternative keyboard for Excel, H to go to the Home tab, O so I can expand the format drop-down inside the cells group, and then finally, I can choose between A or I. Since I want to auto-fit both column and rows, I press I on my keyboard, and then press Alt-H-O again, but this time, I'll press A, and voila! The columns and rows are now adjusted to the size of the data. If you want to do this but for specific columns and rows only, I have a video that shows a shortcut that does that exactly and with other pretty useful shortcuts as well. I'm also planning to make a video on Excel's alternative keyboard. I have a community poll that you can vote which area of Excel you want the video to be. I'll have the link of the community post down below the description. Make sure to check that out. Here, I want to quickly copy and paste the formatting in this cell to all these other cells I have. And while I can use Format Painter for this, the quicker and more advanced way of doing this would be to use one of my favorite keyboard shortcut combinations, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+Alt+V. I'll first select the cell with the format I want to copy from, press Ctrl+C on my keyboard, select all the cells I want to paste the format to, and then press Ctrl+Alt+V on my keyboard. This will open up the Paste Special dialog box. In the Paste group, I'll select Formats, click on OK, and boom! All the cells are now the same format. I actually use this combination for other purposes as well, like quick calculations, formulas, values, and lots more. Let me know down below in the comments if you want to see a tutorial on how I use the combinations Ctrl+C and Ctrl+Alt+V in everyday Excel. And those were 3 keyboard shortcuts I used to help me format in Excel faster. This was Power Excel Solutions, and I hope to see you next time.